Are you making the shift from homemade foods, leaving the over-processed, chemical-laden products behind? This is probiotics at the... Today, I'm making some homemade honey mustard because I have some chicken tenders in my oven. Beautiful mixture here is homemade pot roast. Today, a lazy Sunday supper. All-purpose seasoning blend, something you can just keep on the counter. 250 degrees, start checking on them in about 45 minutes. Allie, super easy, lemony asparagus. Homemade strawberry extract, 11 herbs and spices, a little copycat raisin cane salt, refreshing spa type water. It's kind of pineapple day here. I cut up a whole pineapple and show you all different ways to use it and having no waste. Allie, today we're making a homemade barbecue spice. What I look for when picking out my watermelon is our nut snack mix fermenting thing. It gets a deli copycat good seasoning packet of salad dressing. Allie, elote seasoning. Sushi pickled ginger. So before we get started, Allie, the perfect grilled chicken breast. Now this bottle I use for my cutting board. Today I want to talk to you about making your own bouillon. Tonight I'm making ice cream. Strawberry homemade, natural, healthy dog treats. You want a snack? Come on, chicken. Tonight I'm making a little teriyaki beef stir fry, so I need teriyaki sauce. Now this is a disinfectant. This deodorizes, antibacterial, homemade body wash. So I just spray my vegetables with this and let it sit about. Use that snickerdoodle spice mix with some French toast. So this is my super easy 1 can of tomatoes marinara. Today we're making pumpkin. Today we're doing cream of anything soup mix, the dry version. We are dehydrating some herbs. A classic custard for a quiche. Have you ever needed condensed milk but you're out? Or you want to make your condensed milk with ingredients that you can trust and feel good. Soup season. It's the perfect time for my 1 can tomato soup. For tonight for dinner, I'm doing some really quick and easy roasted kolache teriyaki beef. But we're doing this with...
Next here to Gary's Galley here. Good morning. How are you?
Welcome to Welcome to fermentation. Today I'm doing the melted cabbage. You had a recipe that calls for a box cake mix, but you no longer want to use those box cake mixes because of all the bad ingredients. So whenever I'm at thrift stores, they have those like vinegar bottles. I always pick them up because I like to put my hot sauce. Welcome to Fermentation Friday. Today, bread and butter. Tonight I have a dinner inspired by my trip to the farmer's market. Copycat, Lawry's seasoning salt. I'm starting some homemade cream cheese, and I thought I would take you on that journey with me. Basically, fermenting one day. Next in our ice cream series, we're doing Fermentation Friday. Today, we're doing dill. One thing that I really want to do in my new dehydrator is make us some beef jerky.
She's making the best stuff ever. She is so good. And I appreciate her more than you'll ever know.
Go away. Go get ready. We're going to go play putt-putt if he'll go get changed instead of messing with me.
Do I need to change?
Yes.
I don't look perfect.
And again, we're making our own homemade orange-scented small batch pickled banana peppers. To make your own homemade Dijon mustard. Homemade pineapple. The corn chowder I was promising all of you all. And we're starting off with the easiest, and we're starting off with down the galley. I want to show you how to make your own homemade pudding. Today, I want to talk to you about balsamic vinegar because they're not all created equal. Ginger shots, popsicles. I'm going to any kind of popsicles. These are anti-inflammatory popsicles. In my own homemade V8 juice. We're making all natural bug spray using my haul from the farmer's market to create a mason jar salad. Today on the galley, strawberry shortcake. If you need ketchup in like 5 minutes, this is how easy it is. Today we're making a copycat version of A1. We're going to make the classic yellow mustard. Masala chai concentrate, herbed rice blend. Now this is just going to sit in your pantry and replace like those boxes of seasoned rice blends. Eggnog flavored coffee creamer. Appetizer that you can have that is actually beneficial to you. It's hydrating to you, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. This is grass fed and grass finished. Now, when your beef is grass finished, it has more omega. Tree seasoning is one of those things you can do leading up to things. Welcome to Christmas granola. Peppermint mocha and a peppermint white chocolate coffee creamer. A ranch dip mix. I have one for Fiesta dip mix. Let's make homemade eggnog. It was the night before Christmas casserole. Diabetic friendly pecan pie cream cheese bars. For the perfect Thanksgiving, instead of wrapping your brie in puff pastry, let's stuff it in some pepper. Honey ferment with cranberries. Small batch strawberry jam. And that town right there is Oriental, North Carolina. One of our favorite little towns. We usually anchor out there, but we are on the move up into the Inner Banks to a town called Bell. We're making blue cheese. Welcome to another Fermentation Friday quick. Homemade summertime popsicle is coconut and blueberry. Sent Billy to the creamery to get me some half and half, and he brought me back a t-shirt. Homemade sour cream. Cinnamon swirl butterscotch biscuits. Selling peaches, vanilla, rosemary. That your chapstick can have ingredients that are byproducts of the oil and gas industry. Cottage cheese cheesecake in the oven. It's just packed full of protein. Sweet chili sauce. Now today's easy Sunday supper is just one pan, ground beef, sweet potatoes. So start the new year with beef that you can feel good about serving, but that is also going to truly nourish you. See you later. Bye.